In this video, we will introduce you to creating a simple PixelPerfect report with a Qlik Cloud object as an image and a table populated with data from a Qlik Cloud chart. To get started, from the Qlik Cloud Analytics Activities Center, select the app in which you want to create the report. Navigate to the Reporting section of the app and select Templates from the top bar. Click the Create PixelPerfect Template button. Give your report a name, then click Create. A report layout consists of bands that contain report controls and define their location on document pages. In this case, we adjust the size of the top margin by moving the related band. Now let's add a logo. To do this, from the toolbox, drag a picture box and drop it into the PixelPerfect editor. In the image source, add an image browsing to the location where you have stored it. Next, let's add a label that we'll use for the report title. Adjust the label's size. In the side panel, you can modify the text properties. Expand the Appearance section, then expand the Font section. Here we change the font type, the font size, and we select the bold formatting. After that, we adjust the text alignment. Now, expand the detail band. Here we will add a Qlik object as an image. First, select Field List from the side panel. Select the desired source from the list. In this case, we select Images. All the sheets included in the app will appear. Expand a sheet to see a list of objects within it. Search for a chart you want to include. In this example, we will add the Sales per Region pie chart. Now, expand the image section and drag and drop the chart into the PixelPerfect editor. Resize the picture box to suit your report presentation needs. Now, save your template and run a preview of the report. The report will now include the pie chart from Qlik Cloud. With the PixelPerfect editor, you can also create tables using data included in a Qlik Cloud object. To create a table, first insert a new detail band by right-clicking on the band area, selecting Insert Band, and clicking Detail Report. Next, right-click on the detail band, select Insert Band, and then select Group Header. This will be used to insert the table's column headers. To create a table in PixelPerfect, you must use levels. In the side panel, select Field List and then select Levels. Expand a sheet to see a list of objects within it and select the object you want to include. In this case, we add the top 5 customers bar chart, which includes the dimension Customer and the measure Sales. Drag the desired columns from the source table into the band, resizing the column widths to allow space between them. To change number formatting, click the gear icon and open the Text Format String menu. Here, select Currency and choose a currency type. To add column headers, use the Group Header band. We add 2 label objects, one for customers and one for sales. Resize them by moving the borders to match the width of the detail columns. In the side panel, select Properties. From here, you can format the text as desired. In this case, we change the font type, we select the bold formatting option, and we increase the font size. Repeat this process for both labels. Adjust the space below the table to set the spacing between rows. Before running the report, note that the detail band needs data binding to display a level for a table object. To do this, select the detail band and under Properties, insert the data source. In the Data Member drop-down menu, select the desired table, which in this case is top 5 customers. Now, let's format the text to keep consistency with the other table fields. When done, run a report preview. And here is the result. You have created a sales report with a Qlik Cloud object added as an image and a table populated with data from another Qlik Cloud object. You can now use this report template in a report task. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.